This video will show you how to construct a midpoint and a perpendicular bisector using our Desmos geometry tool. So here we are given segment AB. You can see that on my screen right here. And our first step is going to be to create a circle with its center at point A and a radius that is more than half of the length of segment AB. So we'll go ahead down to our construct tab, find our circle tool, click on that. With a circle, we need to first set the center, so we need to center it at point A, so we'll click on point A, and then we'll drag our mouse to create the radius of that circle. It needs to be more than halfway across towards point B, so let's go ahead and make that right there. For step 2, we need to use the segment tool to draw the radius of the circle. This will help us match the circle using our compass tool. So we'll go ahead and use our segment tool, and then we'll click on point A, and you could select any point on the edge of the circle. I will go ahead and select this point right here so that there's not too many extra lines on our drawing. For step 3, then we're going to use the compass tool to duplicate that circle that we just made, and this time it'll be at center B. So remember, our compass tool is in our More Tools option. We can click on our compass. First, we're going to choose the radius, so we need to click on a segment. We'll select the segment that we just made in step 2. That's the radius of our original circle. And then we choose our center, and we want to center it at point B, so we'll click on point B right there. We'll click back to go back to the rest of our tools. For step 4, we will place 2 points, one at each place where the circles intersect. So that's up here and right down here. So we'll use our point tool, drop those points on our diagram. And then step 5, we need to create a line between the points in step 4 that we just made. So our line, and then we'll click on those 2 points that we just made to set our line. That line right there is the perpendicular bisector of that original segment AB. And then we do need to plot a point for our midpoint, and that's step 6. We'll place a point where the line that we just made intersects our original segment AB. We'll use our point tool right here and drop that point right on that intersection. That point is the midpoint of our original segment. So there we have our midpoint, and our line right there is our perpendicular bisector.